Believe me guys, my room is never this messy. I
don't have cable, but I'm willing.
She's just like candy. She's so sweet, but you know that it ain't real cherry.
Hey guys, in today's video I am going to be cleaning my room and decorating and just making it cute and putting away the Valentine's Day decorations. Sadly, we're almost entering March. Well, whenever this video goes up, March is gonna be tomorrow, so that means spring is almost here. But yeah guys, I hope you guys are ready for today's video and let's get on to the video. How to set up for a thumbnail. Now I actually have to clean up all of this for the thumbnail that I did. Believe me guys, my room is never this messy. Now for actually cleaning the mess I made.
Nothing can replace letting go of you. What's my one mistake? Counting every day. No, I'm not okay. I just wanna say I need affection. Doesn't matter what.
Oh, look at my nail. How'd that happen? Well, just took it off.
I only miss it every day. I need affection. Doesn't matter what you say. 'Cause now that
Nothing feels better on this. Well, now we just cleaned up the mess I had made for the thumbnail. And now we're going to be taking off all of the things like on my desks and all of those things. All of that, we'll be taking it off and I'm gonna be putting it on the bed. So then I can clean them one by one and then clean like the desk. I mean, they're not desks, they're drawers. But let's get to it.
is there something after there's nothing to say? We're just moving in circles, but we're losing our shape. Oh, where did all the good things go? Oh,
Putting away all my Valentine's Day decorations. Look at that, it's a pretty good amount. And these teddy bears, I'm gonna be putting them away. And I'm gonna be trying to find St. Patrick's decorations and Easter type theme if I have any, if I find any.
do you even notice what I'm trying to say? If I give you the ocean, you complain about the waves. Guess there's nothing, feels like I'm not doing this right. Like a star that slowly disappears in the night. Where all the good things go? Love too slow. It's a beautiful morning, don't throw it away. If I gave you the sunset, you wish for the rain. Do you even notice what I'm trying to say? If I gave you the ocean, you complain about the waves. It's a beautiful morning, don't throw it away.
Yo no tengo para darte ni un beso, pero sí puedo darte mis besos.
I'm sick of daydreaming, I just want the feeling of you in my bed. I'm down to just waste time right below your waistline. Want you by my head. I'm done with all this FaceTime, need some alone time, baby. You're always running in my mind. I'm sick of daydreaming, I just want the feeling of you in my bed.
You know, big booty.
Can't spend time alone. Give you my hoodie just so you can smell my cologne. Don't like all this distance, I want you you close, I'm missing your existence.
Now we're gonna put all of this back over here and everything where it goes back. So we're gonna start decorating.
Fill my brain with some ecstasy. I'm sick of daydreaming. I just want the feeling of you in my bed. I'm down to just waste time right below your waistline. Want you by my head. I'm done with all this FaceTime. Need some alone time, baby. You're always running in my mind. I'm sick of daydreaming. I just want the feeling of you in my bed. I know you're tired of waiting, but my friends say that we need some patience. We don't wanna wait no more. Can't take breaks no more. I've needed company from you lately. Fill my head with some clouds, baby.
Dang, look how good the sun looks right now. Ooh. Now time to clean the drawers. Some of them because they're not that messy.
Oh, wait, what's your name again? Wayne?
Just another night, I was feeling fine. Boy, I had to try, I can't even lie. Didn't really think you'd change my mind. But what can you do? I guess I needed to. Yeah. I'm feeling really into you. It's not like I wanted to, but I just wanna be with you tonight.
I don't have cable, but I'm willing and able to watch what's on your mind. I find I waste my time the best when I lose control of the remote, staring steady at the channels, giving up on intuition. I'm obsessed.
This side of my bed, I have this little basket thingy. This I got from my quinceañera, and I have a bunch of quinceañera stuff in here. And right here, I have like this little scrunchie thingy. This I think I got it from Target. Don't remember, but there's scrunchies in here. My Google. And then I have this frame from Marshalls. And here's a picture of my niece Bella. Here's a picture of me and my nephew Tony when we went to go see Santa like back in 2016. And then here's a picture of my nephew Chevy. Y'all probably know him already. Here's another picture of me and my friends. They were my damas for my quinceañera, and they're honestly one of my greatest friends. And I got this little cute frame that says Squad that I got from TJ Maxx. This other cute frame that I got from TJ Maxx, and this is my whole quince court, and along with some other friends. This chandelier thing that is also from TJ Maxx, super fancy. And right here I have this little like angel thingy, I don't know, and my neighbor gave me this one, super cute. And right here is like this little cute bear glass thingy. I don't know where I got this from. And this little elephant thingy that I got from my grandma's house because I used to play with it when I was little. And that's that drawer. Other drawer, this one's more kind of like my vanity. Hey yo. Starting off with this side right here, I have a little cute chandelier, and this one I think is from TJ Maxx. Some two cute candles I had for my quinceañera, don't know where they're from. Right here is my makeup. It's like a little cute heart-shaped thingy. I have more other makeup in my bathroom, but here are like the basics. Right here I have this cute little buggy that I got from the beach. Right here I have this picture of me and my friend Natalia. Right here I have this cute little photo thingy that we took at the mall, me and my friends when we were in middle school. That's my friend Shelby, Leslie, Natalia, and me. Super cute, we look so small. Right here is a graduation picture of my friend Leslie, and I've also mentioned her in some of my videos. You guys already know her. We haven't even graduated yet, but these are like our pre-senior photo pictures, you know. Right here I have a Polaroid of when I was little. I was at a circus or something like that. And then right here's my senior pictures. Right here I have another photo that we took at the mall, but this time I'm with my other friends. That's my friend Olalis, me, my friend Myrna, and Fariba. This is a Polaroid of me and my friend Shelby, and it even has the date right there. Yeah, it was my mini birthday party for my 16th birthday, I think. And I have another photo thing that I took at the mall. And this time I'm with my other friends too. This is my friend Natalie, Kaylee, and Delilah, and yeah, they're like my middle school friends. Right here I have another buggy. I think this one I got it at like Rite Aid or something. Right here I have my nail polish. All of these nail polish are like the gel like thingy, and I got them all at Rite Aid. made. And this little cute thingy, I got it from Ross. Right here is another jewelry box. Before I had this one, I had all my jewelry stuffed in there. So everything that was in there was literally stuffed in here. It's like a mini little closet. I got this one from Sears before they were closing. Right here I have some little hair clips. And this first little thingy I have some bobby pins. Right here I have some hair clips. Right here some other ones. And right here I just have a little rubber band. And this is a little diffuser thingy that I just got from Walmart. Super cute. I need to go buy some of the oil thingies. And right here are my 2 LED light control. Right here I have this like jewelry box kind of mirror. These lights right here are from I think Marshall's or Ross, don't remember, but like they're battery type of lights and they're super cute. So this thing right here, this thing is from Target. Totally recommend getting one. I saw this jewelry box in Kenna Marie's video. I don't know if you guys watch her, but I saw it in her video and I was like, oh my god, that's so cute. And then one day that I was at Target, I literally saw it by coincidence and I was like, I'm buying that. It was about $80 to $90. Don't remember, but it was pretty good price because it's pretty big. So a little tour here. Here I have some earrings. Right here some butterflies. Some are missing because this one was broken. This other one said didn't want to open. And right here I am currently wearing them. Super cute. And I have more earrings and more earrings and I need some more. And then right here more. But yeah, I need to fill them up a little bit more, you know, an excuse to buy more earrings. These are my everyday go-to type of bracelets. Super cute. Right here on this side are my elegant ones and oh my god, this one is my favorite because Michael Kors. I love all of them. Right here are some necklaces. Right here are my pearl ones. Here are like my beach type of ones. These ones too. This ones are just black ones. These are mostly kind of like chokers. This one is a gold one and this one too. These ones are like butterfly ones. And here's a little pouch and I have like some headbands that are like whenever I wash my face or do my makeup. And also it has a little LED light right here so you can see your stuff inside at night. Right here are more earrings, but these are like the things on the back. These are the type of earrings that I put right here. Oh yeah, and then you open it. This is for rings, but as you can tell I only have 3 of them. I need more rings, girl. Right here it's actually for the necklaces still, but I decided to use half of it for my belts because I have nowhere else to put my belts. And I came up with this idea of like just wrapping them and just putting them right here. I don't know, it's kind of cute. And then right here I have more necklaces. Right here butterflies. These one are like a cross, and these ones have like words. These ones are like little thingies like charms. This one's just an elegant one. Right here in this section, this is actually my cheetah bow go-to whenever to do my makeup. I always use this one. Right here are some hair clips, and right here are my like glasses. And so these ones are just 2 black sunglasses that I have. Right here are just like, this is like a heart-shaped one. These are just some grandma glasses. And then I have 2 little pouches from Shein, where this one down here are some sunglasses, and stay tuned for next week's video also. And then up here are my anti-blue light glasses that I actually use on the daily, so I decided to put the little pouches right here. And these 6 boxes right here, this one has like combs. Right here I can barely open it, but there's like some scrunchies. Right here are like some other scrunchies or like bandana type, and then right here are more bandanas. As you can tell, I can barely open it. And right here are some more hair clips, and right here are more hair clips. And that's a tour of my jewelry thingy. So cute. I know, super cute for mirror pictures. Right here is where I always check out my outfit, and I feel like there's a lot of room right here, and like I can see the whole entire room almost. Like if I go like this, I can see my entire room basically. And under it is like these little stool thingies. I don't know, you can actually put shoes on here, whatever you want, I don't know. And under here is obviously my rug. I love this rug. It's so fluffy and cute and comfortable. Like I can just lay on it and stuff. But this rug is actually from Ross. Super cute. This side of my room, I have a calendar. I literally just changed it to March. And now we're not in March yet. By the time this video goes up, I think we're gonna be one day before March. And I love this calendar that I got because it has like beach pictures and stuff. So I love it. And then right here's this picture whenever I went to Universal Studios and they drew me. My curtains, I got them from Ross. Kind of a little too see-through, but I love that because it gives like daylight to my room. Under here, I have like this little chair that I got from Ross. I think this little chair right here. This one I sit down to do my makeup. Right here I have this cute little bunny that's super big, and I decided to put my robe on it so it could be a little quicker to get my robe and stuff in the mornings, and I honestly thought it was super cute. I mean, look at that. My robe is from Marshall's, and the bunny, I don't know. Next is my bed. I got this bed set along with the pillow cushiony thingies. Not the pillow, but like the silk thing. I don't know what you call it. But I got them at Ross, I think, and it was super cute. Flower designs, and it's white. lights. I got 2 teddy bears right there. One is a bunny, one is a duck. I tried decorating my room kind of Easter, spring themed, so that's why I put those 2 right there. And then up there, I got this little like cute set thingy. I don't know where it's from. I have my Los Angeles bucket hat right there because I don't know. And then I changed the little candles just to white ones. Before there was red ones. And then back there are my LED lights. There you go. I think you can see them. I got those at Marshall's and it was a 6-foot one. I don't remember. But I put it on my bed so it actually looks cool like if it was actually part of the bed. Right here I have like these pictures of me growing up. Literally still need to fill them. I think this one I got it at TJ Maxx. Don't remember. Here's another picture. This is one of my senior pictures. Really cute. Right here's another frame and this is of my quinceañera. And then right here is San Judas. Right here is this little cute dog that my grandpa gave me. Right here's another one, part of my religion. This is Winnie the Pooh. These are all kind of like piggy banks and stuff like that, so like they're really hard material. And then right here's the Virgen Guadalupe. And then right there, obviously Jesus. And this cute little frame right here that says family. And there's like pictures of when I was little. I think I got this frame at Target. Don't remember. Right here, I have this little cute purse and this one too. I'm not gonna explain too much because there's a video coming out. Right here, I have like this little storage kind of area. I have this little cute sign that I got from Target. These little number thingies that go on my sign thingy. Right here I have some like easy like pens and stuff that I need for my calendar or to write something, and then some sticky notes. Right here is kind of like my school area, like things I actually use on the daily basis for school. So right here is my calculator, my pencils, markers, more things like that, my planner, my where I take my notes. And then down here I have my 2 computers. One of them is the school one and the other one is mine. Down here in the middle section I have these 3 binders. This binder has a little cute picture right here of me and my friends whenever we were in dance my sophomore year. Really cute. And in that binder I think I have like college stuff. Right here in this binder I have like to take notes, whatever, just paper. And right here I just have like miscellaneous stuff. Right here I have this cute hat. Under it, it's another one, to red one. I just put it for decor. I really don't even use hats. And then right here I have some books, some journals. Back here I have this book that's for my Spanish class. And this section in the bottom is kind of like bags too. That's a purse actually. This one is where my microphone is. I got it on Amazon. This is another purse that I got. That's like a pouch kind of bag, and that's like my camera bag. And right here I just have like a little cute box where I don't know, how miscellaneous stuff too. Right here is my keychain. I got this from Pink. Really cute. I just have little cute things. My Mary Calendar's gift card. Still haven't used it. Right here I have 3 bags. I'm not gonna say anything either because that's for next week's video where they're from. Right here also too, there's a zebra bag. There's a white bag. I'm not gonna say anything either. Right here I have a piggy bank. I don't remember where I got it from, but I think Target. I have this little cute frame right here of me and my mom. This cute picture of when I was a baby with my mom and dad. And this picture of my mom, my dad, my nephew Chevy, and me whenever we went to go to see Disney on Ice last year in February. And then I have those 2 little candle thingies.
Clean it up just to make it filthy. Under the sheets all night.
That is it for this week's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked my room tour and me cleaning my room, since I really haven't done it in quite a while. So like I always say, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share it to everyone, and comment down below anything. But if you made it to the point of this video, make sure to comment room. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Love you guys.